Good day. One often gets this question, is Jesus the only way to God the Father? You've probably heard more than a few objections to the answer to this question. For example, how can Christians say that Jesus is the only way to God? Or are you saying that someone doesn't believe in Jesus, then they're going to hell? Do you understand how narrow-minded this thinking is? Why are you so intolerant of other people's beliefs? And why can't you be more inclusive? So let's get one thing straight. Jesus is the only way to God the Father because Jesus himself said it. John 14 verse 6. I am the way, the truth, and the life. No one comes to the Father except through me. And the Apostle Peter put it this way in Acts 4 verse 12. Nor is there salvation in any other, for there is no other name under heaven given among men by which we must be saved. Jesus Christ is the only one who was qualified to bridge the gap between a holy God and sinful humanity. He's not just a good man, he's the God man who died in our place and took the full wrath of God the Father upon himself because there was no other way that we could settle the debt that we owed God. Only Jesus could conquer sin and death and make it possible for us to live forever with him. The whole Christian faith is built on that truth. May God bless you.